Have you ever heard of the term glass ceiling? It's an invisible barrier, a metaphorical ceiling made of glass, that hinders certain individuals from rising to managerial or executive positions within organizations. The glass ceiling is not a physical barrier, but rather a reflection of the challenges faced by women and minorities when trying to ascend the corporate ladder. These barriers are often not written down or codified as corporate policy, but rather exist due to accepted societal norms and implicit biases. What causes such a ceiling to exist? The answer lies in unconscious bias. These are instinctive underlying beliefs about gender, ethnicity, age, sexuality, social class, religion, and other parameters. Most of the time, these biases are unintentional. However, in some cases, the glass ceiling becomes a systemic issue. It becomes an integral part of the company culture, and many organizations choose to ignore its existence. In other instances, the glass ceiling is intentional, manifesting as overt discrimination or bullying, as a form of power play. People in powerful positions might deny the existence of the glass ceiling simply because they have never encountered it. Alternatively, they might fear that acknowledging its existence might threaten their positions. Either way, they are likely to defend the status quo. There are many instances where individuals have encountered the glass ceiling and broken through it. For instance, Hillary Clinton, who became the first woman to secure the Democratic nomination for president in 2016. More recently, Kamala Harris shattered the glass ceiling by becoming the first woman, as well as the first Black and South Asian person, to be elected as the Vice President of the United States in 2021. To summarize, the glass ceiling is a metaphorical barrier that prevents certain groups from rising to leadership positions due to unconscious biases and systemic issues. Although it is a significant challenge, numerous individuals have managed to shatter this glass ceiling, paving the way for others to follow in their footsteps. The key to breaking the glass ceiling lies in acknowledging its existence, understanding the biases that fuel it, and actively working to dismantle these barriers.